Log in FreshToHome. Sign in FreshToHome app. If you want to log in or sign in to the FreshToHome app, it is rather quite simple for us to do so. What you have to do is simply open up the FreshToHome application, and this is the type of interface that you will be able to see. Now what you have to do from here is tap the account icon from the bottom right, then tap on login that you can find right here. Just enter the mobile number that is associated with your FreshToHome account. If this mobile number does not have an account associated with it, you will be asked to create an account instead. So depending upon whatever it is, enter the number, then tap on continue. After you've done that, and you've verified a couple of details like your password or the OTP code, your FreshToHome app will be successfully signed in too. And I hope the video helped you out. If you have got any further questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thanks for watching till the very end of this tutorial, and see you soon as always in the next video.